I'm Joan H, and I'm a physical therapist, and today we're going to talk about should you really be stretching your hamstrings. So a lot of people assume that if their hamstrings test tight, meaning they don't come up to a 90-degree angle from this position, that they should stretch their hamstrings. But I'm here to tell you that's maybe not true. So let's look at Matt and first of all see if his hamstrings are too long, and yes, that can be a problem, or too tight. So I think we all can agree that this is too tight of a hamstring. Let's look at this model of this pelvis. If his pelvis is tipped this way, his hamstrings go from here to below his knees. So if this is tipped forward, his hamstrings are already on stretch. So we don't want to stretch them. They're already on stretch. Once they're on stretch, there's no more flexibility to get this up in the air. So if you're an athlete who has recurrent hamstring strains, stop stretching your hamstrings. What we need to do is reposition your pelvis posteriorly to give your hamstrings the flexibility that they need to perform. So we're going to do an exercise with Matt that we've referenced earlier called the 90-90 hip lift with balloon. We're going to reposition his pelvis by using his hamstrings to pull his pelvis back down, and then we're going to recheck his hamstring flexibility because it should be better. So now we're going to recheck his hamstrings and see if they're longer after repositioning. It's better. We still need a little bit of work. His back may also be tight, keeping him from fully repositioning back. And if so, maybe we'd need to squat or something to get his back to let go too, in order to get his pelvis fully repositioned posteriorly. But I think you can see that even after doing this exercise for 2 reps, that he definitely has more hamstring length.